Yeah, that one though.
I'll just leave it. How long will it record for?